Right, hello everybody and welcome back to TMG Trades, the best place on YouTube to getting your up-to-date Bitcoin and cryptocurrency analysis. Well, we saw Bitcoin's big move already. Bitcoin is now trading down at $43,391. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I expect is coming next for Bitcoin's price. We're going to look at some very important indicators in today's video that I don't think a lot of people have paid much attention to. And we're also going to look at what I've currently got open in terms of trade. So if you are interested in that, then please do slap a like on today's video. Very important that you smash a like on today's video because we're trying to hit 1,000 likes on every single video that I post on this channel. So anything you can do to help me, which is the easiest thing to do, press the like button. If you're feeling super generous, leave a comment down below. Everything in terms of engagement helps the algorithm. So thank you very much and let's crack on. So the first thing on today's Bitcoin's price, I drew a nice pretty picture while I was waiting to film today's video. However, Bitcoin, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. That's a very familiar saying. Actually, I grew up listening to the Chuckle Brothers that say oh dear, oh dear. Anyway, oh dear, oh dear. Bitcoin is currently forming, this is a little bit concerning. Bitcoin is currently forming this bear flag. Unless we can break this bear flag to the upside, then this is not good news. Because essentially, if Bitcoin is to break to the downside, the level for which you need to watch right now is $43,000. If Bitcoin loses that $43,000 level, we'll probably make one quick dash for $41,000. Shorts will make some money in that particular kind of scenario. However, we will be shorting Bitcoin in that scenario. That's when I will go short on Bitcoin. If we drop below $43,000, I'll be shorting Bitcoin with an ideal take profit level of $41,000. However, I will be keeping my stop loss very, very close. Now, I'm actually currently long on Ethereum, and when it comes to my current open trades that I had open previously, they're all closed now. Took the small loss. Watch yesterday's video if you're not familiar with what happened. But essentially, yeah, took a small loss, but to be honest, it doesn't really affect much, and we're looking to make money in the markets going forward. So, what are we expecting next for Bitcoin's price? Like, realistically, although Bitcoin could drop to the downside right now, what are we realistically expecting when it comes to Bitcoin's price? Well, we need to go over from the 50-minute time frame over to the 1 hour time frame up here. Now, you can see currently we're bouncing nicely on the RSI and we're bouncing nicely on the MACD. However, if we go over to the 4 hour time frame, we've yet to bounce on the RSI and on the MACD. And every single time we go into this category right here, we have a significant bounce to the upside. Look here. 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 Significant bounce to the upside. Happy days. So, on the higher time frames, we don't have actually a lot to be worried about. Which is why I say, look, if we lose 43, quite sure that we would make a quick dash to $41,000. We'd then probably quite likely bounce straight back up to $43,000. However, I do think the more likely scenario is that we come back down, test $43,000 one more time, and then pump to the upside. So let me explain exactly on a chart what I think is going to happen. I'm going to draw basically the price action that I expect to see. So when it comes to Bitcoin's current price, we're currently trading at $43,386. If we drop down onto the 5-minute time frame, if we are to lose these levels down here, that is not particularly good news, but we would like literally just one quick dash to the downside. The more likely scenario would be, I think we come back down, one more test of that, keep on trading within this range, and eventually actually break bullish, and then basically do inverse of what we've just done. Like literally, I know it was really fast coming down. I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty fast coming up, given what the current market sentiment is, which from my perspective is very, very bullish, especially given a bunch of different fundamental factors. I mean, look at this guy here. He looks bullish. But anyway, there's a few other things that I want to show you, such as Bitcoin's funding rate. A lot of people are shorting Bitcoin right now, and all those shorts are going to close the second that Bitcoin starts pumping again. We know that that's going to happen because we see it time and time again. When you have more short positions open than long positions, and there is more demand for shorting Bitcoin than there is longing Bitcoin, it's highly likely that Bitcoin is going to just come down like that and then whoop-pow, straight back to the upside. So that's kind of what we're expecting for Bitcoin right now. The funding rates are pretty bullish as far as I'm concerned. And when it comes to the current price action for Bitcoin, this is what we're looking for. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin dominance right now, Bitcoin dominance is currently bear flagging outwards. Now, I told you in the other day's video, look, Bitcoin is trading within a range. And as soon as we break to either the downside or the upside of this range, that's when we're going to see the major move on Bitcoin dominance. And I actually think we're going to see the major move on Bitcoin dominance within the next 48 hours. Probably on kind of Friday night, Saturday morning is when I would expect to see it. Now, I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to drop significantly to the downside. Bitcoin dominance is currently doing a typical bear flag pattern. You have your stick there, you have your flag, stick, flag, stick. Now we're gonna go back down on this, which means ultimately the altcoin market is going to boom. And which is why I'm very heavy on altcoins right now. And that's why you should watch today's main channel video, which is specifically kind of about altcoins. And one new altcoin that I've added to the portfolio, which is a DAO-based altcoin. But yeah, from my perspective, the altcoin market is looking very positive in terms of buying potential. It seems like a good time to be in the altcoin market right now in terms of buying into it. That's not financial advice. Nothing in today's video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research. But the point is, yeah, I feel like it's a good time to be accumulating cryptocurrency right now because I feel like the odds of a pump up are much higher than the odds of a drop down. Bitcoin is already down nearly $4,000 from the most recent high. I'm expecting Bitcoin to cross over into $50,000 during the month of April. That prediction has not changed. Still expecting that to happen. By the way, if you're not already familiar with this, I'm going to give away $2,500 on my Twitter. If you're not familiar, just follow my Twitter profile. You'll find a link in today's video description. You'll see a tweet from me tomorrow. Just make sure you retweet and like that tweet from me tomorrow. There's already a few of them out there as well if you want to enter. Basically, every single time you like and retweet one of those tweets that I post, that is an extra entry into the $2,500 giveaway. So just make sure you spot those on my YouTube channel. Not YouTube channel, sorry, Twitter. It is like 9:30 at night nearly, so... Just bear in mind, my brain is going at this time. It's been a long day. These like, if you ever wonder why I post videos at 9 o'clock at night, it's because I spend the entire day from 8 o'clock in the morning working. And then it gets to the time when it's time to make a video, and then something else either happens or goes wrong because I'm running a lot of businesses right now. And I mean, the cryptocurrency business, and I'm advising people, I'm helping people, I'm growing my own companies like Crypto Saving Expert. By the way, you should follow Crypto Saving Expert on Twitter, but because I'm doing all of those things, it can be quite difficult at times to make videos at timely times. So make sure you watch these videos whenever I post them, which means turn channel notifications on, slap a like on this video, and subscribe. Very important that you subscribe. Thank you very much. Anyway, if you appreciate the analysis in today's video, thank you, and leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.